If you were actively engaged in the 2021 stock market, then you know it was a wild ride.
In 2021, we set a $60,000 income trading goal. In this video, we're reviewing our December and full year trading performance.
What's up, Legacy Builders? I'm Rob.
I'm Reshawn. And this is Learn, Hustle, Grow.
She's a stock trader.
He's a realtor.
And we are debt-free investors. If you've been following our story, then you know that at the end of 2018, we left our W-2 jobs, and in 2019, we traveled the world.
We focused on debt paydown and long-term investing in both real estate and the stock market to achieve financial independence. On this channel, we're sharing our version of life after corporate America.
We are actual students in the Invest with Terry VIP Trade and Travel course.
We enrolled January 26 of 2020. We then spent that year studying the stock market and learning the IWT methodology. After we recouped our $5,000 investment, we shared our initial review.
After getting DMs about how it was going, we posted a 9-month update. Turns out there was plenty of people who wanted to trade for income.
So we decided to share our monthly progress. We'll include a link to the Invest with Terry course and previous videos in the description below.
In January of 2021, we set an income goal of $5,000 a month.
We set that goal based on the average Texas income as reported by the U.S. Census Bureau. We wanted to answer the question, can you earn an income as a trader?
Listen, y'all, it is not hard to find articles about traders losing money out there.
Apparently, there are articles or stats that say that 94% of traders fail to make money after 300 days of trading. I think I even read that 60% of traders give up after 3 months.
Happy New Year, guys. We hope you enjoyed your holidays.
We had a great time catching up with friends and family during the Christmas season. Now, the 2021 stock market closed at a third year of record growth.
The Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ closed with double-digit gains.
While many individual stocks closed the year near 52-week lows, the Dow closed the year up almost 19%, the NASDAQ just over 21%, and the S&P bested them all with almost 27% growth in 2021.
Any question why so many investors are bullish when it comes to index fund investing?
If you are a buy and hold index investor, you are winning.
Indeed.
The uncertainty of a global pandemic did not keep the stock market from making gains.
In 2021, investors sold off pandemic stocks like Zoom, Peloton, and TDOC.
Big stocks like Amazon, Tesla, and Shop carried the market for a while. High dollar stocks can be big movers. Unfortunately, they can move down as fast as they move up.
The downward trend was a reminder of how important it is to build a certain set of skills.
Throughout 2021, I struggled to build consistency trading options. While practicing, I would make money on one and lose money on the next one.
So why do you think that is, wife?
Honestly, I think it was momentum. Being able to trade with the direction of the market is huge. And last year, when the market was consistently going up, it wasn't hard to buy low and just go long on a position.
Okay, so trading in a downward market includes shorting and options. Have you tried shorting?
I have.
Okay.
Listen, risk tolerance is a big part of trader mindset. Both options and shorting are much higher risk than just going long on an individual stock.
Right. So when the market opened in December, commentators were still talking about a possible correction. Why is that?
Apparently, unless the major indices experience a 10% correction, a correction hasn't taken place. But let's be clear, the stocks that were on my list at the beginning of 2021 have definitely experienced a 10% plus stock market correction.
So how did you feel about the market going into December?
So before the start of each month, I actually Googled to see the historical performance of the stock market during that specific month. And everything pointed to December being a good month in the stock market.
Okay, so I heard that there's this thing called the Santa Claus rally in December. What is that? Wait, before you answer that, Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, guys. We need your help to grow. Okay, go ahead.
All right, so it's the idea that the stock market goes up during the last couple of weeks of December due to an increase in shopping and an overall feeling of positivity due to the coming of the new year.
So did the Santa Claus rally make a difference in your trade?
Nah, not really. The charts are the charts, but it's good to be aware of the potential impact.
Let's see if those charts help you make money in December. So the trade cousins want to know, how did you do in December? Did you make your $5,000 goal? Drum roll, please.
We actually came in with a loss of over $14,000.
Ouch.
This is a screenshot of December closed positions from Fidelity Active Trader Pro. In the first column, you see the symbol of the stocks traded.
To get investor information on each stock, check out sites like Yahoo Finance and CNBC.
Your online broker, Fidelity, Schwab, or TD Ameritrade, can also offer some insight.
The second column is the number of shares purchased and sold.
The third column represents short-term gain. Short-term gains are profits from positions held less than 1 year.
Column 4 is long-term gain for positions held for at least a year. You will see that here are none.
Column 5 is the company name or ETF name I traded out of 7 positions in the month of December.
Okay, let's talk about this huge loss. What in the hell happened, wife?
Oh my God, basically I tried to catch a falling knife.
Okay, explain.
Well, Sam traded at a 52-week high of $1,349 back in April. I charted the stock for a buy zone and went for the gusto when the goal, with the goal of having a big return.
What happened to the big return?
I purchased 20 shares and then averaged down with another 20 shares, but the earnings came out for Sam and that stock just kept dropping.
Oh. So how did your loss get so big?
I broke the rules of the IWT method and traded without a stop loss.
Ooh.
I thought for sure that Sam would come back, and it didn't.
So why didn't you have a stop loss?
I never imagined that a stock once trading for over $1,300 would hit a 52-week low of $435 a share. I was just so stunned that I could not accept the loss. I held on waiting for it to come back.
Yeah, I definitely can see that. Okay, wife, so why did you decide to exit that trade in December? You know that it was gonna impact your 2021 goal, right?
Honestly, looking at the loss was impacting the way that I was trading.
Wow.
Not only was it locking up my money, but it impacted my confidence. I was no longer willing to, make the bigger leaps. I was only, making smaller purchases on my positions. I wasn't even able to, average down on a lot of positions because now that I had done that with Sam, I just felt like I couldn't make that same mistake again.
Wow.
And it was causing me to actually lose out on potential profits.
Messing with your chi, huh?
Yes.
Do you think Sam will ever come back?
Honestly, I have no idea. But I know CNBC analysts have a price target for the stock of around $620.
Wow. Okay.
It's an opportunity for somebody right now.
Okay, before we move on to your full year results, it looked like December could have been worse because I see you had some winning trades in there.
Yes. If it weren't for those 6 winning trades, the loss would have been much bigger.
Okay, so it looks like your 2 most valuable trades were Amazon and Shop.
Yes, we made $600 on one Amazon call and another $600 on only 10 shares of Shop.
Okay.
Both are great movers.
Oh, snap. So wait a minute. That was your first Fidelity's option trade?
Yes, I closed my first Fidelity option trade in my worst trading month of the year.
Congratulations. I know that executing an options trade in this account was important to you, so.
Yeah, it was kind of a big deal. And there was an opportunity for bigger profit if I had held the position overnight. However, I felt great about a $600 day trade.
That's good, yeah. That is not a bad daily return.
There are actually 253 trading days a year. If I can average $600 a day on a return, that comes out to over $150,000 a year before taxes.
Wow. Okay. So how did you do against your goal, your 2021 goal of 60K for the full year?
So we're getting right to it, huh?
Yes.
All right, we know trade cousins want to know. Here it is. We finished the year at just over $41,000 in profit. This is a screenshot of the 2021 closed positions that made $1,000 or more in profit.
Wow. TTD was clearly the biggest winner of 2021. You traded it quite a few times.
That was due to the actual 10-to-1 split TTD took in, June of last year.
Okay.
So it's still a great stock. It just doesn't move as fast as it did before the split.
Right. I know you didn't make your 60K, but how do you feel about your full year results?
I made $41,000 working from home 2 to 4 hours a day. If the studies are correct, I'm among the 6% of traders who made money this year. I'm excited to continue learning and growing as a trader.
Well, there it is. Got questions? Comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.